In this tutorial, we explore a conversational AI travel assistant that makes travel planning easier by understanding user needs naturally and working seamlessly with existing systems. Here I am talking about Ask Planny. It's a smart AI travel assistant that helps you plan trips just by chatting. No long forms, no confusion, just ask, plan, and go. Let's see how it works. Enter your trip in simple language and click Search. Ask Planny takes you straight to the best deals. Click the microphone icon to speak your travel request with natural language. Ask Planny listens, understands your intent, and continues the search instantly using voice input. Then the Ask Planny confirms and displays your spoken request, processes it instantly, and prepares the best travel options based on your intent. After this, the system redirects you to the results page with your trip details already filled in, loading the best available options within minutes. Now, the system displays results here based on your preferences. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you understand how the feature works. For more helpful updates, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.